Camp Cat video diary, just after 7 o'clock in the morning. We're at Stansted Airport. Morning. You alright?
Yeah.
You okay? Did you?
If you want to go to London, it's possible.
I can't, I'm afraid. No, I'm not booked for rent. We are just inside Colchester. Just went past a sign saying, "Welcome to Colchester, Britain's first city." This is my first bit of food since 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. 1690s, but in 1726 it came into the ownership of Charles Gray, who started to restore the building. He added the tiled roof, it's interesting for a castle, and Doom Tower and the large windows as they are seen today. There we go. Colchester Castle in Colchester. Right, we're in, I nearly said where he lived. We're in Colchester, put it that way. And I'm going to give him a call. Be just my luck that he won't be in or something. Oh, come on, internet. Where's the satellite gone? Oh, here we go. Damn, I was looking forward to playing a trick on him. How are you? Okay?
Yeah.
You looking good, yeah? Yeah. Looking well, mate, you're looking well. I did knock your front door. I called you on Skype, not Skype, on Messenger.
Oh, right.
Because I was going to play a trick on you, like we have a little chat, so I was just going to knock on your door.
Oh, I missed that.
All right.
Let me get that
Yeah.
bloody kettle on.
Yeah, please do, yeah. Nice little thumbnail. You're a thumbnail meme making master, you are. A thumbnail meme making master. I'll see if it comes up on my
Oh, yeah, it's there.
on my feed.
Yeah.
Is it live now? Is it?
No, I'll just
Oh,
make
okay.
sure we're there.
I'll get a notification in a minute. So if you just give me a load of crap, and I'll come back at you.
Yeah.
I'll come and kick the door in.
And apparently I'm live. And I'll put my camera on. And this is an early one. It's an early one. It's because me and Andy was having a heated discussion last night on Facebook.
I'll tell you something else, Bill. I think you need to apologise.
No, you can shove it up there.
Yeah, like this. Oh dear. Sorry about that, people. Yeah, budge over your fat.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm so fat now. Hey, look
Turn
at
your
that.
camera slightly.
Yeah,
Is it on?
There, look at that.
There you go. Sorted, mate.
There you go.
The two baldies.
The two baldies. That was a parody. That was a parody.
That was a parody, by the way.
Oh, to me. We're short. Well, Miss Ella. Let's have a laugh today. Let's have a laugh.
Right. Yeah, there we go. Bear with me a moment. Monday the 11th today. Yep, Monday the 11th of October 2021. Right, time midday, bang on 12 o'clock. So I've been busy today. Fairly early start. I took someone down to Heathrow picked up from Heathrow Airport. Brought them back. That's pretty much all I've got in today. And I'm going to go pop into town, meet the wife in town. She's been working this morning. Going to meet the wife in Swindon Town Centre. I was in Colchester a few days ago, just walking around Colchester Town Centre. It just seemed a lot more of a pleasant experience than Swindon, and you'll see what I mean in a while.
this place.
Okay, let's go and take the dog out for a walk. It's a lovely afternoon, as you can see, the sun is shining. Here we go. Right, so it's going to take me a few minutes to drive down to where we're going. Just enough time for you to like and subscribe to this channel. Tell them, Sar, tell them. Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
There we go. That was a wife, by the way. Don't want to be arguing with her. You won't see tomorrow if you do. Anyway, it'll take us a few minutes to get there. Just enough time for you to like and subscribe to this channel.
That Mandy?
Yeah. No, don't put it down, don't put it down. No. I don't know. Put the camera down. That's up, that's up. Down. No. There we go. It's down a bit too much. Put it up a bit. There we go. Anyway, whilst we're stopped at the lights, just enough time for you to like and subscribe to this channel.
I love you, dancer.
You've already done that?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's only about a 2-minute drive from our place to where we're going. Just enough time for you to like and subscribe to this channel.
Why are you repeating yourself?
Because I want people to like and subscribe to my channel. One of our favourite little walkie spots is in here. Doesn't get too crowded. Dog seems to like it, don't you, dear? Looking at him. Up she goes. Right, welcome to Stratton Wood. Nice little wood on the edge of Swindon, on the north and the east side of. Sorry about the mess. Today is Tuesday the 12th October 2021. It's in the middle of doing some painting. I've done that wall there. Got it all masked up, and that's coat number 1. I'm going to be doing another coat on that one. Going to be masking this up now. I've already done the ceiling and the coving. That's all been done. So what I'm doing now is just masking it up so I can paint right up to the edge. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day again in England, in my part of the UK anyway. So the time now is about 9:45 in the morning, and I want to get this done, and then I want to try and get out there and well, just do something later. Okay. See you later. Ta-da! Right. Anyway, so yeah, I can crack on with this, and I got some of the day to myself. just getting in behind here now with the old paintbrush and that. Sometimes you can get a roll and go all the way down. I haven't got one of those, but just such a pain trying to have to remove it, and I don't want to be doing that to get behind it, you know, to do like a proper job. I'm just gonna get as far down with a brush as I possibly can. That's all I can probably do, to be fair. Hopefully the wife won't realise that I haven't gone all the way down. We're having fitted wardrobes here. That's the reason why I haven't painted that wall. So fitted wardrobes going all the way from here right the way across over there. So that's going to be one big fitted wardrobe. And on that wall there, we're going to have some wallpaper on that wall. So yeah, I think when it's all done, it'll be nice. I might have a day off tomorrow, so I can really crack on with it then, and hopefully get it pretty much finished. Then just a little bit of touching up to do, and then I think the job's a good one. But at the moment, it's a work in progress. It looks a mess. Give it a few days, it'll look $1 million. Time for some lunch. Let myself a nice cup of tea.
She flies like a bird in the sky.
Lovely combination. Cheese and tomato sandwich, cup of tea, eat your heart out, Aid Larson. So I'm at Stanton Park. I was hoping to see Dino, being a Tuesday, he's normally down here, but his car, which is normally parked over there, is not here. There are some cars over there, so unless he's changed his car lately, then he could still be here, I don't know. I think probably one of the best ways to find out really is to get the eye in the sky, the old drone up, and maybe fly it across and go and have a closer look. I'll do the return to home, update the point. That should be okay. Right, so we're now filming. It's a little bit blowy, to be fair, so I've got to be a little bit careful where I go with this. But I'll send it off and over. I just want to see if Dino's over there, really. Just trying to get my bearings, really. Right, so I think Dino might have been down there somewhere. It's really kind of difficult to find it. Let's take it back home again. To be honest, I don't think Dino's there today. He's normally around this spot around here somewhere, in a bit of a clearing, but I can't see him. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carry on with my little walk now. There's not an awful lot to see around here, which I've not already shown you in previous videos, so I'll probably spare you the pain of having to go through all that again. But if I do see something of interest, then I will obviously film it and I'll document it and stick it out there. In the meantime, I'm just going to enjoy my walk with my dog and enjoy the countryside, the fresh air, just enjoy the autumn colours which are now just starting to come through, and as the season progresses, that's only going to get better. I certainly Campfire would know where I am right now, so if any of you recognise where this is, it's a still which I sometimes have at the end of my video. is this spot here. I think it's probably one of the nicer spots I think I've been for a good long time.